Jordan Hansen. I'm the executive chef up here at Schweitzer. I was the youngest of 5 kids and my mom worked, and so oftentimes I came home and I started cooking for myself. And that turned into having a big family and going home and cooking for all them. I got into the restaurant industry, a little bit involved with Sante early on as a server, oddly enough. Seeing Jeremy Hansen do his deal was awesome. I took over this building, I ran it for a while, passed it on to my sous chef, and now I help manage all the outlets up here at Schweitzer. We started using Spiceology about a year ago. The great thing about Spiceology is that it's consistent and I can rely on it to be consistent. I haven't had anything come in that was a negative thing that I had to send back. They're consistent. So that's, to me, the most important thing is that I can consistently rely on something being here on time and being of good quality. If you make every part of the plate as if it's the star, as if it's the only thing you're serving, that somebody wouldn't want to have a whole plate of it, that's what makes a dish great. Spices are exactly what makes each part of that dish great. So it's the root of it. If it's not quality, if it's not used properly, then you could have, I guess just a lackluster dish. And so to me, it's important that you get every part right, and that goes down to the salt that you're using. People often ask you what's your favorite dish to cook as a chef, and there's never a consistent answer because you're always trying to do something different and something fun. Recently I've been using the Aleppo a lot in soups and just spice mixes that we've done, in substitution of cayenne, honestly, a lot, because of its a little lesser on the heat and a little more on the actual depth of flavor. It's time to take back your kitchen.